I caught this push-up. It was actually good price action.
This is the view from our hotel room.
I caught this Netflix. This was actually $35,000.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's 17th of April, 5:12 p.m. I won't be trading today. It's a Thursday. The market is open. Tomorrow the market is closed because of Good Friday. But I won't be trading today because the market looks like shit. I'm starting this video because tomorrow I'm traveling for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to Turkey. I have a flight tomorrow morning. And the good thing is that the market is closed tomorrow. And I'm planning to not trade on Monday and Tuesday as well because Tesla is reporting earnings on Tuesday after market closes. So I'm planning, as of now, the plan is to show up for trading next week on Wednesday from Turkey. But I might show up on Monday and Tuesday depending on how the market looks like. And the whole point of me making this video is because I might change this video into not day in the life, week in the life, or maybe 2 weeks in the life of a trader in Turkey. And let's see how the trading goes. And that's why I'm starting this video in Dubai. At the moment it's 17th April. I'm just gonna make a quick video. I'm in Dubai at the moment. I'm gonna show you guys my setup. Like, I'm not even trading for the day. Let's actually go in my office. So yeah, here's my office. And you guys know, like, if I'm actually trading, my setup is all on around 4:30 p.m. And at the moment it's like 5:30 p.m. Not even trading for the day. The room is a complete mess with all the packing stuff and everything. The printer is lying there. But yeah, I'm not trading for the day. I'm just gonna pack this stuff up, be ready for my travel tomorrow, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Okay guys, this is actually insane. It's still 17th of April, 5:51 p.m. I was not planning to trade. And I was just like, okay, I was not even watching these Tesla, Nvidia, all these stocks because they are just waiting. Like, Nvidia has earnings a bit later, but Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and all these stocks are gonna be reporting earnings in the next 2 weeks. And the market is also waiting for some concrete tariff news. Nothing is happening, but LLY, Eli Lilly, they had a bit of news regarding the pill version of GLP-1, GLC-1, I don't know, GLP-1 medication, I think. Positive news, the stock was gapping up, so I was just watching LLY to see if something happens. At 5:30 p.m., my platform was not even open. I only had my Dash Data Pro open. At 5:30 p.m., I logged on to my interactive brokers and I caught this push up. It was actually good price action. We had a sell-off, big green candle. I entered right here with a stop loss under 830. Never tested that 830. Had a push from 830, approximately 833, all the way to 855. And you guys won't believe me. I only took like 30 contracts because I don't want to have a big red day before the vacation. Fill price was 5.75 and I made, my investment was $17,000. Now wait for it. I made $19,000, 19.3K. Guys, like, insane. This is real time. This is in front of you. I'm showing you guys the actual time. This is real time. Like, trading is insane. I don't think so. I'm going to be spending 19.3K on my vacation, like 2 weeks of vacation, which is insane. So I had made a lot more money than I'm going to be spending on the vacation just before the vacation. So a really good start to my vacation. And yeah, I'm just going to call it. I'm going to pack my stream deck. I'm done for the day within the first 12 minutes. My entry was at 9:36. And my exit was at 9:42, 19.3K. Insanity, guys. Like, this is live in front of you. I can't even make this shit up. Like, I don't know. Like, I've been showing you guys the time, and that's why I just show you guys the time. This is real time. This is, like, you guys can see right here, 17th of April. Tomorrow I have my flight, and this is just moving in real time. This is not a recording. So yeah, can't make this shit up.
So yeah, I've just arrived in Turkey, taking a cab to the hotel. Hotel is actually 60 minutes away from the airport. So yeah, a long drive, but it's a beautiful drive. I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, it's actually a lot more beautiful than I imagined or than I expected, honestly. I was like, Turkey is going to be a bit more raw and everything like that, but yeah, it's amazing. It's beautiful. So high expectations now. So here's a view from the Bosphorus bridge. Looks amazing.
So it's our first full day in Istanbul, and yesterday we just went for like a stroll and walk around because we were so tired. And today I'm just heading off to the gym and just like quick workout, 1 hour workout because I'm losing a lot of weight and I don't want to lose a lot of my strength and muscle. So just gonna get like strength training in 40-45 minutes and then yeah, start the day. We have like a lot of plans for today, but I'm gonna show you guys gym. Hopefully it's good because usually hotel gyms are not that good. So yeah, fingers crossed. It's actually, they have Pilates section as well. Okay, so my hopes are high now. This is the start of the gym. Okay. Amazing. For now. Okay, they have the machines and everything. Okay. And they have a full-blown dumbbell section as well. So whenever I'm traveling, because I can get a lot of workouts in, I just do push and pull. So today I'm gonna do pull. So that includes back, biceps and hamstrings as well. So I'm just gonna do a quick pull workout and take you guys along maybe. Pretty awesome gym, honestly. I can even argue the fact that it's better than my gym in Dubai. So yeah, back down, leg curls, hamstrings down, now bicep time. We also have a preacher curl. I haven't seen a preacher curl ever at any gym, so I'm gonna maybe start with this. So again, new machine. I'm gonna start with the lower weight. Usually I start with like 25 kgs, and this is like 510. I don't know what's the weight of the bar, so should I start like a Joe fitness channel? Let me know, guys. This is way lighter than, yeah, this is way lighter. This is very easy. I hope it's 2.5 kgs, yeah, so 7.5, 7.5, 15. The bar has to be 10 kgs, if I'm not wrong. Oh, okay, this is nice. This is 25, perfect 25, 15. So yeah, the bar is 10 kgs. So this is similar to what I do in Dubai. Come on. 1, 2. So yeah, in total 62 minutes, 483 calories, out of which for the first 15-20 minutes I was messing around. So yeah, good workout. For the training load, I'm actually gonna select all out for the very first time, because this has been the best workout I have had by far in a very long time. So yeah, this is amazing. A nice meal after the workout. Dry fruits. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have it or not. 1 slice of bread, 2 whole eggs, and I'm gonna just get like white egg out of it. So high protein, and I might get a bit of fruits after I'm done with this. This is the view from our hotel room. Pretty nice. So just gonna get ready and head out for some sightseeing. Look at this incline. I don't know if it's visible, but look at all the knees and stuff. It's easily like 15 or 17 degrees on the treadmill, and it's going to be the same for the next like 8-15 meters, so 1 kilometer approximately hiking. Usually on vacations I gain a lot of weight, but pretty sure on this vacation, my workout in the morning, then healthy breakfast, high protein, and with this incline, I'm pretty sure I'm going to lose like a few kilos by the time I get back home. So now we are at the Istiklal Street, because if you search like my agent, my travel agent, ChatGPT, so this is one of the most popular streets in Istanbul, and here you go. I'm just having this Turkish ice cream. I don't know what it's called, but amazing. So we are in Zara now, because honestly guys, we did not pack a lot for winter. It's pretty cold here, and we have a few stuff like just overshirt and stuff, but not like winter clothing. And we need a bit, because it gets really cold here, especially at nights. It's like 8 degrees or 10 degrees. Wasn't expecting it, did not pack accordingly. So let's do some shopping. So now it's the second day in Istanbul, and it's almost like 3 p.m. and today was a bit more historical day, so we visited a few mosques. I'm going to show you. So this is like, it looks really beautiful, blue mosque, and then we had that other mosque as well. But honestly guys, like we went inside the mosque, I was only there for like 15-20 minutes, because personally I'm not a big fan of history and never cared about that. Like I don't care about the history and stuff, just not my area of interest. So the view is nice. I'm actually enjoying the view. We have been at this nice kind of local restaurant, just had coffee and pasta here, just sitting here passing some time, because now we have sunset cruise booked in the next 2 or 3 hours. We had it booked actually yesterday, but yesterday it wasn't sunny, it was cloudy, so that's why we postponed it, and it's today, and the weather is nice, sunny, so it's gonna be a nice sunset cruise. So remember guys, yesterday I was telling you all the pathways and walkways are like insane hikes. Yes, we're just walking back to the hotel. Been walking for 10 minutes, and look at my heart rate. Come on, yeah. Been walking for 11 minutes now. 163. Insanity. I mean, the walking situation is insane here. If you live in Turkey and if you're fat, I don't know what's wrong with you. So now it's the next day. We are in Cappadocia and I have just set up my laptop. I don't know if I'm going to be trading or not, but I like Netflix for the day. So I'm just going to watch Netflix for like the first 5-10 minutes and see if it presents any setup. Usually I have 2 portable monitors and everything, but like everything else is in my room. It's a really nice room actually. It's like a cave. And I'm just setting up everything. My Stream Deck is not working. Yeah, so laptop, iPad, another monitor, and then Stream Deck. I have to figure out why Stream Deck is not working. Usually the fix is just plug in the opposite way. USB-C should be, yeah, it worked. It should be like interchangeable, like there's not a specific way it should go in, but I don't know what's wrong with mine. So let's see for the day. Netflix, I'm just gonna open my Mac. I just have like Netflix and Bookmap open. That's why I got this secondary screen, just to have Bookmap open. That is an application that I actually use. So I'm gonna keep Bookmap on this screen. And yeah, so when I actually use my whole travel setup, I will let you guys know, and that should be starting Wednesday. That will be day after tomorrow. Today it's Monday, 21st of April. So yeah guys, it's 9:28 a.m. now, and yeah, I'm just ready with Netflix open. It's selling off, so I mean, I'm not a very big fan of the market, but let's see if Netflix squeezes above $1,000. But yeah, I won't be trading off the open. Let's see. I even posted a picture on our Discord group that don't be jealous, everyone. Yeah, amazing. Let's see how it goes. Yo guys, insane. I can't make this shit up. It's literally 4:40 p.m. The market opened at 4:30 p.m. in Cappadocia, Turkey, and I caught this Netflix, as I explained, before the market opened up, and I made $12,000. And this was actually $35,000. If you guys see my entries and exits, I was nicely up, but I added to my position, which I don't mind. The pullback was on low volume right here. Added to my position, covered at the right time. So still like 12.7K on vacation. So vacation paid for while on vacation, which is insane. That is what trading gives you guys. Like, I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. I don't know if it's a coincidence or not. Before the vacation, I made, I think, 19.3K, something like that. Now another 12.7K. So in total, 30K, including Thursday. Friday, the market was closed. Thursday last week and Monday this week. $30,000. While not even trying to make money. Like, I'm on vacation. So yeah guys, I'm just packing up my stuff here and think I'm gonna end this video right here because I have like 15 minutes of footage that I will have to sort through and maybe make a video that is 15 minutes long. Thank you for watching. If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below because I'm planning to record 2 or 3 more videos during my vacation. Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys are new, subscribe to my channel because this is the best day trading channel out there. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.